everyone. I know it has been a long time since I've seen you guys, so we're back with another cooking vlog, and today we're going to be making Tanghulu. So I've got some strawberries and some grapes, and we're going to put them on these sticks. This might take a while. I need to be very precise with this, and I need to see how many. I'm going to put 2 on each stick because they're very small. Just squeezing out some juice. And for the strawberries, I'm going to take off the head leaf like this. Yeah. And I'm going to put them on the skewers as well. This is a very big one. Grape. Strawberries. Let's make an all strawberry one. And small strawberry. See, an all strawberry one. Okay, so now that you saw the time lapse of me doing it, I've only made 10 of these. As you can see, I got an all strawberry one, an all grape one, and a strawberry and grape one. And now we're gonna put the sugar. So I need a cleaner. So for the sugar for the Tanghulu, I'm going to do. I need a bowl. I'm gonna place 2. I'm gonna place in 2 cups of sugar into this bowl, and then we're gonna add it into the 2 cups. Let's do 1 cup of sugar. One cup of sugar, and we're gonna add it into the bowl. And I'm gonna add in half a cup of water. So now we're gonna move to the stove and add it all in. So this is 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to add in half a cup of water. As you can see here, it's dissolving, but I'm going to turn my heat to half heat, and I'm going to let it sit for a bit, and then we'll stir. You're gonna wait until it's yellow, or when you dip it in your chopstick and you put it into water, it is crystallized, but right now it is not. It's ready. Let's check if it's ready. I'm gonna dip it in. It's not ready yet. And this one's good. So this is our Tanghulu. As you can see, it's pretty good right here. Whoa. Whoa. Is it good? Yeah.